Hi, I'm Thomas Ecker from Ecker Ecker. We are a consulting company supporting clients for market access in Germany as well as for EU HTA. So in essence, it's a preparation for HTA process. So putting together the evidence, developing an evidence strategy, communicating this evidence to the agencies, and getting most and best out of it, and see then how this develops towards a price and access to patients, because that's what matters at the end. Well, in order to prepare for market access, I think the most important thing a company can do is to do this in advance and take the time, because this takes a lot of time. Usually it takes about 24 months in order to prepare for this process on the European level. Get the evidence sorted out, develop an evidence strategy, develop a PICO assessment, figure out what evidence needs to be prepared, and then to put this together in a cohesive document that convinces the payers. I'm here now for the second time in Rome, third time for Cell and Gene. So last time I've been to Phoenix. It's always great to be with ARM, because that's the forefront of innovation in patient therapies.